What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going off-roading, gonna test out my Goodyear Wrangler Duratracs. I've had these tires on for about 11 months now and they've been amazing in the snow. I've gone off-roading once in them, but I've been at school, but now I'm back home and I wanna take them off-roading again. So we're gonna go on the beach, Democrat Point, and I'll give a little review on how they handle in the sand. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so where we're going now is a decent test because it's soft and deep sand. So hopefully we don't get stuck because there's not many people here to pull me out. Let's see how it goes. These tires have such good grip. So nice. This was an awesome buy. Tells you how much is going in, you let go, tells you what it's at. Hello. So I hope you guys enjoyed my official review of these tires going off-roading. I know some of you might not call that off-roading, but it's what we have here on Long Island, and they performed amazing in the sand. I was purposely trying to go through the deeper untouched sand with no tracks, just to see how they perform, and not once did I feel like I was going to get stuck at all. So these Goodyear Wrangler Duratracs are fantastic. I have my snow review. If you haven't seen that, check that out. But yeah, in the sand, they performed amazing, and I'm hoping to get some actually deep snow this winter. I'm going to be in upstate New York starting midwinter, so I mean, hopefully we get some deep snow and I'll be able to really test these tires again. So thanks for watching.